Hi, and welcome to Fashion Academy official YouTube channel. I'm Roslyn. I'm preferably called Luminous Lane. I'm a patternist, fashion coach, wedding dress expert, and the lead instructor at Fashion Academy. So for over 10 years, I've used fashion as a vehicle to educate, inspire, and to transform lives. I'm passionate about sharing my experience, expertise, and knowledge with upcoming fashion designers, and that's exactly what I'll be doing on this channel. So expect videos and tutorials on how various design elements come together as techniques to create new ideas and designs. You will learn so much about pattern making, pattern drafting, and how you can use it as a tool to execute your ideas and bring them to life. There will be so much to learn about corsetry, wedding dresses, evening wears, and even kids' ball dresses. There will be lots and lots of tips, hacks, and so much to learn on the business side of fashion. So whether you're a professional or a beginner at an early stage of your learning curve, there's always something new to learn, because learning, they say, is a continuous process. Do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to this channel. Don't miss out on the weekly videos that will be dropping every Wednesday by 8 p.m. I honestly can't wait to see the transformation that awaits you. I remain your reliable fashion coach. Thank you.